Hello everyone and welcome back to ABC Crypto Tutorials, and today quickly I'm going to be showing you how you can add custom networks to the Metamask wallet. It's actually very essential you learn how to do this because in your crypto journey you're going to come across this multiple times, especially in the case of airdrops. There are times when a particular token will require you to connect to their network and then perform 1 or 2 tasks or transactions either on their testnet or do 1 or 2 claimings via the network, and then you will need to add a custom network to MetaMask for you to be able to carry out that transaction. So what do you need to do and how do you go about this? First of all, click on these 3 lines at the top left. Once you've done that, go over to settings, go over to networks, and then you will see that I have added the smart chain network, BNB testnet, and even Moonriver. I added Moonriver because you were asked to log on to their network and then provide liquidity in a certain pool, which I did and waiting for my airdrop. So what you need to do now is that you need to click on add network. Then you have to go get the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and then the block explorer URL. So where do you get these things from? You just go over to Google. So you open your favorite web browser and then just search for, let's say we are adding the Phantom network, since I've not added the Phantom network on my MetaMask. So let's go to, all you just do is search Phantom network MetaMask. All right, this is docs.phantom, is Phantom documentation. So these are the things we were talking about that we'll be needing. Phantom, the name, this is the URL for the RPC, the chain ID, the symbol. So just copy this information. I'll do that quickly. Alright, so you've got everything set, the name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and then the blockchain explorer URL. So just click on the add button, and once you do, it's going to do all of its magic, and then voila, you are here in the Phantom wallet. Alright, so it's just going to be like you're having the Phantom wallet. So everything is going to be on the Phantom network. At this point in time, every coin you are receiving here is going to be on the Phantom network. So when we go to receive, this is the address for the Phantom. So even if you are receiving any Phantom based token, you can just use this address to receive it in the case of airdrops and all of that. So you can do the same thing for networks like the Avalanche. So Avalanche network for MetaMask, you can just search for that. It will bring it to different. So just all you just need is the name, as usual, the RPC URL, chain ID, symbol. So once I add this, you see it will add the Avalanche network. The same thing can be done for Polygon network. So whatever it is, I did Moonriver and then I got the things I was looking for. So let's scroll down. Yeah, Polygon, the RPC, chain ID, symbol, the blockchain explorer. So you can do the same thing. Moonriver, let's say network for MetaMask. All right, so it should be here definitely. Yeah, the chain ID is here. Let's see. Yeah, so they've given you the information for MetaMask. So the name, RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, the block explorer. So it's just as simple as that. In case you are trying to get one airdrop or so, or you are trying to claim something, maybe NFT, and then you need to connect to the network, you can do this easily on MetaMask. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, and if you have a question to ask or you have something to say, kindly drop that in the comment section below. And if you've not subscribed yet, please make sure you do by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you so much and have a nice day.